So they told me that the beach is down here, and I'm gonna go check it out. They say it's a 1 mile hike, so I'm almost end of my 1 mile. Let's see what awaits me down here, because if a beach is down here, somebody should have told me a long time ago. It took them so long to tell me. I hear the water. Oh my god! Complete with boats. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't get there fast enough. Oh my god. I mean, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They call it the white sand beach. I want to sing Big Ship Sailing on the Ocean. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, time to get sand in the shoes. Oh my goodness. Somebody exercise. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not my first time seeing a beach, but this is just in the bush somewhere. This is just somewhere in the bush. Oh my gosh. Take a picture of this boat. I take a picture of these two. See if I can catch both of them. Oh my god. Yeah. This is beautiful. Okay, let's go up on that hill right there. I got you in my sights. I'm coming for you. Come on, let's go. Okay, we're going over there. I love this blue. Let us save some space for the real beauty that I'm promised. Because I see that cliff right there and I can tell it's going to be pretty. Oh my god. There's nothing like discovery, like the thrill of discovery. The structure is on stilts, but let's not put it in our video. Let's capture the wild, untamed nature. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the, oh my god. Yeah. Oh my lord. We do not want to fall over here. So let us move. But look how pretty this is. It is as pretty as they didn't tell me. They didn't tell me. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Nobody told me this was here. They take for granted. Oh man, I'm gonna so. Okay, here's some. Not on me. This is what we do on Saturdays in the country. And we're gonna have our picnic right here. Right here. Look. Right here on the edge of this cliff. This is a cliff. It's not very steep, but it's a cliff anyway. Look at them waves.
All them ball. Feel me, ready? Yeah, bowling ball again. What? Every time you go. Hey! That work?